Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I do have some mail calls today. I have two of them, actually some pretty nice coins. But before I get into that, I wanted to start by just telling you guys about this. I'm not sponsored, so just letting you guys know. But I did end up getting this over the weekend, and I tried it out. It's awesome. I mean, it's going to change a lot that you do with coins, and being able to look at the details without having to look under a loop or a microscope or anything like that. And trust me, I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I just got this off of Amazon. It was like 35 bucks. Pretty awesome. Comes in a nice little case. And then I got the one that has like a little telescope on it. It's a 22 power. Really didn't do too much. Kind of weird. We tried whenever I got it, I was like, oh, it was dark out. Let's go look at the moon, right? And see what we can see. And of course the moon wasn't out. Awesome. It does pretty well. I mean, you can obviously magnify on it pretty good. I don't think it's gonna be anything crazy. I don't think I'm gonna really be able to see any craters on the moon or anything like that, but we'll see. It also comes with a, like what was this one? Fishbowl or fisheye lens. Then there's a macro lens and a wide lens, which are actually in here right now. So actually, yes, I'm already using the lens, but I wanted to show you something else, and obviously comes with a tripod stand. So all over so far has been really great. And I've already started taking some photos of my coins, and they're coming out awesome. So one thing I did want to show you, first let's open up these and then I'll show you the lens, because that's gonna be pretty cool. So let's jump into the first one. This one comes from my buddy off of Facebook. I actually don't know if he has an Instagram. I'll have to look that up, figure it out, and if he does, or if he has a shop or something that he wants me to link in the bio, I'll go ahead and do so. But yeah, I saw this one come up. I had actually seen this one come up a while ago, and it was a really nice coin, but I don't collect V-nickels. I don't really know a whole lot of people that really do collect V-nickels. The only V-nickel that I have one, well, obviously two. You have the no cents and the cents variety, but I have those two raw. I don't even think they're even good condition in my 7070 typeset. And then I obviously have my proof 1893. So I don't collect them. Not that they're not a great design or anything, I didn't really ever see a need to really collect them. But again, I saw this one come up a while ago, thought it was a great looking example, and he took it down, it didn't sell, and then he put it back up, and this time I had the money for it. I had actually, additional monies that came in, and I was like, you know what? Let me just get it. Let's just see. Again, it looked great. The video that he added the second time was really nice. Like a lot of examples, a lot of colors, so right up my alley. And hopefully your guys' as well. So, let's see if we can get this here. So it's a 1912, and it is in a soapbox, but that's okay. So, a 1912 Liberty V-nickel. I'm doing this outside, so I don't know how well it's really going to come up here. That's okay. Let's just do the unboxing for now, and then I can take a better video and post it at the end of this as well. But let's get through to the unboxing. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. And this one also came off of Facebook. This comes from Marlene at MRC&C, the Facebook group on there. I am a sucker for Morgans, 100%. Love the Morgan design, and especially whenever you have special ones come up like these two. Hopefully nobody saw that. I don't want to give it away too quickly. But of course, whenever you have special ones like these two come up, and especially at such a nice price, her prices are fantastic. Just kind of have to snag them up. But as you can see, we have a GSA Horde. And okay. Well, I didn't notice the writing whenever I bought it, which is horrible. Why? I mean, whoever bought this for $30, that's fantastic, but you didn't have to write on it, man. I swear. It is what it is. It is still an original, you can see. 7.8, so this is an 1878 Carson City. It is ungraded. Very nice, very frosty. I actually like this one a lot. So I have a PCGS MS64, but I don't have this in a GSA. So that's why I picked this one up here, just kind of adding to that. It's got some nice reflectivity on this one too. I'm not calling proof like, but it is nice. Yeah, I like it. Put that back in there. Okay. So anybody that knows me as well, I also love collecting hordes and pedigrees. And this one is a fantastic pedigree. I don't know how well the toning is really showing up on the video, but again, I'll be making a another short video with the actual details of the coins in it a little bit better. So this one's just showing you what's in the box. And yeah, I freaking love the case. It's so weird how just like the plastic really just adds to the appeal of the coin. But everybody loves a good Redfield. And what's really funny too, let's go back to the Obverse. What's really funny too is back whenever these were put into the plastic, they only had 60 MS60 and MS65 as grades. They didn't have all the in-between grades. And they listed this one at MS65. I think there's a little bit too much chatter for it to hit MS65. However, it is a very nice, it has very nice eye appeal on the coin, and it is just a stunner. really interesting too how much value the Redfield really adds to these coins. I mean, you can go on there and see a really common date like a 81S or 82, something like that, and they go from I think you can get a really nice 81S MS64 for under $100, and they're selling for 300 because of the Redfield. So it's super nice, and I'm definitely going to send it off to NGC. It's just going to look really nice. So let me go ahead and show you real quick what this looks like without the wide angle lens. I'm just gonna, because it's really cool actually. So the wide angle lens will just screw on top of the macro lens, and the macro lens, I think it's times 65 or times 25. Sorry, it's gonna get a little bit blurry for a second there. Oh, look at that. I'm about 2 inches away from the lens, and you can see, look at all that color. Look at that color. But you can see all the details. You can see all the little dings here and there. You can see the dye polish. You can see all the details. I don't think you can pick this up on, it's a lot easier to use than a loop or anything like that. I know, like Ben the Coin Geek, he uses a loop a lot of the times, allows you to really see the details, and he's really good with it, but it's not always easy to get the loop to work whenever, you're trying to do these videos. So I definitely think it's a good buy. I'll try and find it and link it in the bio below. But I do want to thank you guys for coming out and watching this video. You guys have a good one.